Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss something many of us enjoy every morning, coffee. While often seen as a pick-me-up beverage, coffee also comes with a variety of surprising health benefits. So make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video. Before we delve into its benefits, let's take a brief look at the background of coffee. Coffee has been a highly popular beverage worldwide for centuries, and many of us can't start our day without a warm cup of coffee. Number 1. Nutrient content in coffee. Turns out, coffee not only provides a delightful taste but also contains several essential nutrients. Coffee contains powerful antioxidants, such as chlorogenic acid, which can combat free radicals and support cell health. Number 2. Brain performance enhancement. One of the most well-known benefits of coffee is its ability to enhance brain performance. The caffeine content in coffee can help improve memory, focus, and even uplift one's mood. Number 3. Protection against certain diseases. Some studies suggest that coffee consumption can be linked to a reduced risk of certain serious diseases, such as Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and liver disease. However, it's important to consume coffee wisely and in moderation. Number 4. Fat burning and metabolism boost. Did you know that the caffeine in coffee can also aid in fat burning? Some studies indicate that coffee can increase the body's metabolic rate, assisting in the fat-burning process, which can be beneficial for those aiming to lose weight. Number 5. Positive effects on heart health. Not only that, but coffee can also provide protection against heart disease. Moderate coffee consumption has been associated with a decreased risk of cardiovascular diseases. So, those were some extraordinary benefits of drinking coffee every day. But remember, the key to reaping these benefits is to consume coffee in moderation and not excessively. We hope this video was informative for all of you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more information. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.